My name is Ursula Donnelly and I'm a violin teacher and performer based in Nottingham. Today I'm going to play you a little sample of this Maidstone violin. Okay, so that's a lovely Polish gypsy song, and now I'm going to play you something a bit different. So we'll play something a little bit calmer.